Okay, here's how to work number 56 on page 147. So we look at the total amount of stuff we want, which is 6 milliliters. We desire to have 30% of it to be acid. So we got to mix a 20% concentration acid with a 50% concentration of acid. That's called the first one X, the second one Y. You can swap those assignments, but you just have to remember which one you assign to which. Now, together, however much of the 20% solution you add to the 50% solution is going to come out to 6 milliliters. So the total amount of acid that you have is 20% or 0.20 times the X, the total amount plus 0.50 times the Y. Now look at here, the total amount is your desired concentration times your total volume. So 0.3 times 6. I can do a quick calculation on that and figure out that comes out to 0.8. But your first part of your system is the unknown amount plus the other unknown amount comes out to 6 milliliters total. And then the percentage or the weight of those amounts times the unknown amounts is how much acid you have in there. So your system is as it looks like that. And I'll draw you a rubric for it. But if I want to solve those systems, I can use elimination method. You could use other methods, but I decide to kind of multiply the second equation by 10, get rid of the decimals, take the first equation, multiply it by -2. This is just a review of elimination method. You get that the y equals, I made a little mistake there. The y is equal, 3y is equal to the 6, so the y is equal to 2. Don't forget what the y is. The y was the second part of the solution, so it's 2 mils of 50% solution. It's 4 milliliters because there are 6 total of the 20% solution. Now, a general idea of how to build this system, which is the important part, is that I have two unknown parts. Let's call that part 1 and part 2. That's my X and my Y. And to get the second equation, you take the percentage of concentration times part 1. So percentage 1 times part 1 plus percentage 2 times part 2. And that's going to give you your desired concentration times the total amount. That's how you do that one.